Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious vegetarian dish from Gujarat, and this is called Undhiyu. Undhiyu is basically a vegetarian curry that is made of many vegetables and is super healthy and so tasty. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडियो देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So the main ingredient of Undhiyo is Surti Papdi, or if you don't find Surti Papdi you can use Wal Papdi or broad beans. So the way of cutting and peeling it is different. So the ones that you feel are a bit more ripe, those you can just remove the front and back and remove the dhaga that comes out of its borders, and the normal ones that are a bit raw, that you can use as it is and just break them and add. So you need to soak them in hot water. So you need to use both the seeds and the papdi along with some green peas. So other than this, let's chop the vegetables. For that I am taking here one potato, half a sweet potato. Chop everything in big chunks. Also I have taken here chopped yam pieces. So everything you need to soak in water. Now in a mortar and pestle you need to take 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Crush them and then add 1 green chilli and crush along with the peanut and sesame seeds. Now let's prepare a filling. For that, in a bowl take 5 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. To that add the crushed peanut, sesame seeds and green chilli mixture. Then add 1/4 cup of green garlic. This is also an important ingredient of Undhiyu. Also add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic green chilli paste and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Also add chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything well so that it gets combined and then keep it aside. Now let's prepare the muthia dough. For that, in a bowl take 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of gram flour or besan, chopped methi leaves, few chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything well. Also to this you need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic green chilli paste and gradually add water and knead into a semi-soft dough. Now take a portion and make a ball and roundel it like so. So you can make it any shape you want. Now you need to deep fry it or air fry. I have air fried them. So now let's stuff the eggplants. So we need these small eggplants or brinjals. So we need to cut them like so. Now stuff this brinjal with the mixture that we prepared with desiccated coconut. We need to also stuff some raw bananas. So I have cut the raw banana in big chunks and stuffed them. Now in a kadai take 1 tablespoon of oil and fry the banana and eggplants that we stuffed earlier. So here I have taken 1 raw banana and 2 eggplants in total. You can adjust the quantity as per your preference. Now after they are golden brown in color, take them out and keep aside. Now in a kadai add 2 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Now add the chopped potato, sweet potato and yams. Roast for a few minutes. Then add the papdi we soaked in hot water. Remove the water and add. Mix everything well and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the rest of the mixture that we prepared with desiccated coconut. Give everything a good mix. Now you need to add little bit of hot water just to cook the masala. We don't need it to be super runny. Then add the roasted banana and eggplants and cover and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So in between you need to check if it is getting too dry or sticking to the bottom. You need to add a little bit of hot water just not to stick. So everything looks cooked now. Finally add the muthiya we made. So I have air fried the muthiyas here. You can deep fry them if you want. Also add some hot water and cover and let it cook for 5 minutes more. And now everything looks cooked. So finally you need to add some chopped green garlic and coriander leaves and some lemon juice. Now give it a good mix and our delicious undhiyu is ready. Serve it hot and have it with puri or thepla and it is super amazing. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.